Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a quick unboxing of a platform pedal. It's made by Wellgo and it's a Taiwanese company that makes a lot of different kinds of pedals. Some that's Shimano SPD compatible, but this one is actually a platform pedal. It's made of magnesium and it's the model number MG-5. So I'm going to go ahead and open the packaging, and the only thing I'm going to do over here is just measure the weight of the pedal and give you guys a close-up look on what the pedal actually looks like and how thick they are. Now this pedal is originally made for mountain biking, and I'm actually using this on my wife's bike. If you take a quick look over there, her original pedal that I got for her, which is also a platform, one of the spindle actually broke, so I need to replace both of the pedals with this much better one. This one, compared to the old pedal, it's much wider, so you have a much better grip over there on the platform. Okay, so now back over here, it looks like it is a sealed cartridge design, and be very careful of those little caps, and make sure it's always tightened, because if this comes loose, the spindle would fly out, or the spindle would actually go loose. And if you look on both sides, it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those how do you call it? 8 of those locking pins. So for grip. And from some of the reviews I've read, those pins doesn't work as well as some of the smaller ones. As you can see, those pins are like slightly wider. But then again, we're not using this off-road, so it shouldn't really be much of any problem. And I don't know what the HD stands for over there. But if you can see the thickness, it's really slim. This is like a slim, compact design from Wellgo, which is much, much slimmer than the original MG-1 that I used to have on my mountain bike. And that pedal was like at least twice as thick as this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and weight it, see what is the total weight for the two pedals. Let's see. And it's only 297 grams, which is fairly light for a platform pedal, which converts to only 10 ounce and 10.5 ounce. So super light actually. And that would be really great for road biking as well. And so I'm gonna conclude the unboxing video over here, and then actually in my next video, I'm gonna put in the link below. I'm gonna actually replace the old pedal with those new ones. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.